Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make charts for your data in Excel. Why would you want to know how to make charts for your data in Excel? Well, maybe you want to show your data in charts and don't know how. So today I am going to show you how to make charts for your data in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. First, let's take all the table. The easy way to select charts. You will find many types. The other way, select again all the table. From insert, you will find charts. Select what you want, you will find many types. Something like 3D. Then resize it. And you can change its theme. That's easy. There you go. If you wanted to know how to make charts for your data in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to make charts, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.